kids, good morning. Nice to see you once again on this online class. How are you children? I hope you all are safe and sound. Today, the subject I am going to teach you is science. And the topic is about fruits and vegetables. Children, I am going to say a few facts about fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables contain important minerals and vitamins. There are a variety of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables grow on trees. They contain 90 to 95% of water and lots of fiber. Do you all like fruits, children? I love them. Now, children, I am going to teach you a song about fruits and vegetables. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, chiku orange apples, mix them well, mix them well. Add some sugar and some ice cubes. Put it in your little mouth, put it in your little mouth. Fruit salad, fruit salad. Children, can I repeat once again? Come on, children, together with me. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, chiku orange apples, mix them well, mix them well. Add some sugar and some ice cubes. Put it in your little mouth, put it in your little mouth. Fruit salad, fruit salad. Another rhyme, children. You already know this rhyme and it's very interesting. Shall we start? Come on, let's get started. Bananas, bananas, they're very, very nice. Yummy, yummy, I have them in my tummy. Now, children, fruits are also used in making jams, salads, milkshake, and also juices. Similarly, vegetables are also used in making pickles, salads, and even juice. Okay, children? Now, I hope you have learned the benefits of fruits and vegetables. Now, children, I am going to teach you the names of fruits and vegetables. Listen carefully, children, and repeat after me with proper pronunciation, which is very important. Are you ready, children? Come on. Guess what fruit is this, children? Do you know what fruit is this? It is a watermelon. What fruit is it? Watermelon. What fruit is this? What fruit is this, children? Papaya. What color is this fruit? It's very attractive. What color? It is orange in color. And what fruit is this? This is a bunch of grapes. Do you like grapes, children? And this is orange. What color is an orange? An orange is orange in color. What is this, children? I think this is season, no? Mango season. Did you enjoy eating mangoes during these holidays? It's a mango. And what color is it? It is yellow. And this is a strawberry. This is a pomegranate. Come on, repeat after me. Not pomegranate, it's pomegranate. This is a pear. What is this? A pear. Children, now I am going to teach you the names of vegetables. What vegetable is this? Come on, children. Can you make out what vegetable is this? It is a pumpkin. Come on, repeat. Pumpkin. And this, it is a cauliflower. This, children, tomato. I think this vegetable belongs to the fruit family. What is this, children? It's a bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is very bitter but very good for health. And this, children, it is a ridge gourd. Ridge gourd. Come on, repeat. Ridge gourd. Radish. Ginger. Oh my God, carrot. This is very good for our eyesight. And this, onion. When mommy cuts an onion, what happens? your eyes start to water. And this, lovely color, it's a brinjal. Now children, I hope you learned the names of fruits and vegetables. Now, what are you going to do? I'm going to give you homework, an activity to be done at home. Now children, I think you would have learned the names of fruits and vegetables and its benefits. Did you enjoy this class, children? Eat lots of fruits and vegetables to stay strong and healthy and avoid disease. As goes the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now children, as goes the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Children, eat lots of fruits and vegetables to stay healthy and strong and avoid disease. I hope you enjoyed this session by learning the names of fruits, vegetables and the song I sung for you. Tata children, bye-bye. Thank you. I must first thank you for sitting so patiently and eagerly and watching this online class. Bye children. Take care. God bless you.